So the work we are installing here is a work that I made as a reaction to the collapse of a dam in Brazil, which was one of the biggest environmental disasters, or better, crimes that ever took place. The collapse of the dam in Mariana, Minas Gerais. And the work consists of 5 stones that are corresponding to the 5 of the most exported minerals of Brazil. And it is disposed in the same shape as the constellation known as the crux, or the Southern Cross. So horror story made me think about the role of Brazil and other places in the global south as the source of extraction of minerals, and also other natural resources and the risks that it represents. So thinking also about the words of the Vicopenaua Yanomami shaman, who discusses the fall of the sky. And he says, the white people, unlike us, they don't fear the fall of the sky. And for the Vicopenaua, the spirits of the forest together with the shamans hold the sky where it is. And I wanted, I think, with the work to make it more perceivable for people that get in contact with the work, the impacts and the risks of mining. That's why we have these stones hanging above the head of the audience when they enter the space.